Hello student of class 10th. I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class here will have to study about the chapter number 1, that is a chemical reaction and equation, in which there is a assessment given. In which we have to do long question answer. We have to complete it the long question answer, and the question number 3 is given as: write the following reactions in the form of a chemical equations and balance them. Also name the type of a chemical reaction. When the ammonium hydroxide is added to the solution of ferric chloride, ammonium hydroxide NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide is added to the solution of ferric chloride, then brown precipitate of ferric hydroxide is formed, FeOH thrice plus NH4Cl. So if it is 3N and 3NH4Cl, yes, now it is balanced, FeOH twice plus 3NH4Cl. That means there is the ammonium hydroxide reacted with the ferric chloride form ferric hydroxide plus ammonium chloride. This will form ammonium chloride plus ferric hydroxide. Ammonium chloride. This is ferric hydroxide. Next question given as: heating solid potassium nitrate at KNO3, when heated it will form potassium nitrite and oxygen. Potassium nitrite plus oxygen. So here is 2 molecule of potassium nitrite and oxygen liberated here. So this is the complete form. Next question is C. Sodium carbonate react with the sulfuric acid. Sodium carbonate when reacted with sulfuric acid form Na2SO4 plus Na2SO4 plus H2O plus CO2. This will form sodium carbonate when reacted with the sulfuric acid. It will form sodium sulfate plus H2O plus CO2, water plus carbon dioxide. Next is question number D. Is stannous chloride combined with a chlorine? Stannous chloride SnCl2 react with Cl2. SnCl2 stannous chloride combined with chlorine to form stannic chloride SnCl3. 2 amount of SnCl3, that is Cl6. So 2 to the 4 Cl, so 2 SnCl3. Stannic chloride here is formed. Stannic chloride formed. Next है question number E. When the zinc is dipped into, when the zinc dipped into the solution of copper sulfate, when the zinc dipped into copper sulfate solution CuSO4, what will form? There will be zinc sulfate plus copper will get formed. This is the equation. This is the reaction takes place when the copper sulfate reacted with the zinc. Now question number 4. Balance the following chemical equations and state the type of a chemical reactions. NH3 plus H2SO4, NH3 plus H2SO4 will form NH4 twice SO4. So here will be 2 molecule of NH3 plus 2 6 NH4 twice SO4. The next one is, it is now balanced and it is called as combination reaction. Next one is sodium chloride. When heated, this will form sodium plus chlorine. 2 amount of sodium and chlorine will form. Here is question number 3. AlCl3 plus NH4OH, AlCl3 plus NH4OH. So this will form NH4Cl plus NH4Cl plus AlOH plus 3 molecule of NH4 and 3 molecule of NH4Cl. Cl is 3 here, 3Cl. NH4 3 molecule, NH4 3 molecule, NH4 3 molecule, Al1 molecule. This is the equation. Now the next one, which is given as copper sulfate plus H2S hydrogen sulfide. This will form H2SO4 plus CuS copper sulfide. This will form copper sulfide plus H2SO4. This is the equation. Now the next one is, what happens when the sodium chloride react with the silver nitrate? Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride reacted with silver nitrate AgNO3. This will form NaNO3 plus AgCl. This will form sodium chloride and silver nitrate, reacting to form the silver nitrate plus silver chloride. Next question, burning of natural gases. The question is, when the zinc carbonate reacted with zinc carbonate decomposes it to give zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Zinc carbonate decomposes to form ZnO plus CO2. When the zinc carbonate reacted with the zinc carbonate decomposes, it will form zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Next is question number second. Next one is ammonia gas reacted with water. Ammonia NH3 reacted with water to form NH4OH. It will give us NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide. Next, copper oxide CuO, when reacted with when heated on decomposition, it will form Cu plus O2. This will form hydrogen gas, give copper and water. When the copper oxide on heating with hydrogen gas, then it will form copper plus H2O. So here it will form the copper molecule as well as copper. It will give the copper and form H2O. Next question is, give the characteristics. Two method identified. Barium chloride solution is mixed with copper sulfate solution. Barium chloride solution will meet with CuCl2. What will form? A white precipitate is observed. A white precipitate of CuCl2 plus BaCl2. Barium chloride solution is mixed with copper sulfate solution. Then it will form barium sulfate plus copper chloride. Barium sulfate. This barium sulfate having a precipitate. Which type of a precipitate it is? White precipitate. That is white precipitate. White precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. Here is another example in which it is given as, on heating copper powder in air in a china dish, the surface of copper powder turns black. Copper powder copper powder in air, there will be copper oxide. This will form, it is the black color. Copper oxide then takes place and form a black color, turns black. On heating, green color ferrous sulfate crystals, reddish brown solid is left, and smell of a gas having odor of burning sulfur is experienced. So on heating, green color ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate, when heated, it will form ferrous sulfide plus oxygen. Ferrous sulfite plus oxygen. So this will form ferrous sulfate plus oxygen. When the ferrous sulfate is decomposed, it will form ferrous sulfite and oxygen liberated. So this is the all about today's topic. We will discuss to the next day about the next topic. Thank you for being here.